Environment and Market TM. Content. 1. Product development. 2. Key concepts in developing a product. 3. Finding value. 4. Innovation. 5. Unique selling proposition USP. Content standard. The learners demonstrate an understanding of concepts of environment and market and how they relate to electronic products assembly and servicing, particularly in one's town, municipality. Performance standard. The learner shall be able to create a business vicinity map reflective of the potential electronic products assembly and servicing market within the locality, town. Learning competencies. Learning outcome 4. Develop a product, service in electronic products assembly and servicing. Learning outcome 4.1 Identify what is of value to the customer. Learning outcome 4.2 Identify the customer. Learning outcome 4.3 Explain what makes a product unique and competitive. Learning outcome 4.4 Apply creativity and innovative techniques to develop marketable product. Learning outcome 4.5 Employ a USP to the product, service. Code. TLE_E.M. 7-12-004